Fraction word problems number one. So for this one, it's actually going to be pretty simple word problems. And I hope we don't already have an exercise on this. I didn't see one. But it's basically going to be simple word problems where the problem is really just the equivalent of adding and subtracting fractions with like denominator. So in terms of actually showing the solutions, and I'm not going to go through it here, but the hints would be the same as adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators, that exercise. So there's going to be a few different types of word problems, and I'm just going to type them out here so you get the general hint, general gist of what type of problems you can throw in. So one question could be something like a cake is cut into 5 pieces. Shantanu eats 2 pieces. How much of the cake is remaining? It's important to say how much of the cake is remaining, not how many pieces are remaining. But just how many pieces, it's a simple subtraction problem. But it's actually how much of the cake is remaining. And again, I don't know why I always have the wrong um, type of exercise here, but it actually should just be a not a multiple choice, but you can make it a fraction. And obviously the answer here would be 3/5. Another type of problem, there we go, we could say something like Ben ate 3 pizza slices, Marcia ate 2 slices, there were 8 slices originally. How much of the pizza was eaten? Here obviously it's just 3/8 divided by, sorry, 3/8 plus 2/8, which is 5/8. Again, I'm not going through the hints. I think you could figure that out. I just want to give you a sense of the various types of problem. Another one, there we go. It could be something like, I'm not sure why I keep putting food examples. Maybe I'm hungry here. If a bag has 12 cookies and Omar eats 5, what fraction of the total bag is left? And obviously that would be 7/12. Maybe even make it simpler, or it's, what fraction of the total bag was eaten. So it's literally just drawing this out as a fraction. That could be another type of problem. So let me think. I think that is all the ones that come to mind. But of course, for all these word problem type of exercises, the more variety is key. So you really want to put as many different types of problems as possible. So anything you can think of when it comes to adding and subtracting fractions, if you can think of anything that doesn't have to do with food, feel free to add those in as well.